In this video, I'll show you how to turn off RCS messaging on Google Messages. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. RCS messaging is a new feature that allows you to send and receive messages over Wi-Fi or data, but it can also use up your data allowance. If you're not interested in using RCS messaging, you can easily turn it off. The first thing you need to do is open the Google Messages app. This is the default messaging app on most Android phones. Once you've opened Google Messages, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, tap on Messages Settings. Click on General. Now click RCS Chats. As you can see that I'm currently connected. To turn it off, just click this toggle beside Turn on RCS Chats. Confirm Turn Off. That's all. You've now successfully turned off RCS messaging on Google Messages. If you ever want to turn it back on, simply follow the same steps and toggle the switch to the on position. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click other videos to keep on watching.